Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this digital hand blender from Silvercrest, premium product with LED display, shows speed and running time. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included, of course, we have in the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Very good package. The container with a cover, storage at your refrigerator wherever you want. 700 ml the maximum, transparent container, another type of measurements. Nice, I like it. The blending attachment with 4 blades made from high quality stainless steel. The connection, lock and lock. You can connect that here, unlock, you can see, rotate and it will lock. And unlock. You can wash it, no worries. And we have in the cable 1.5 meters the length. I like that. It's very convenient. 1000 watt powerful motor, on off button and turbo boost button for powerful pulse blending. Ergonomic handle. Very easy to use. And of course here we have the display. Speed and time. Let's plug it in. There it is. We have the speed and the time. You can see the seconds. And to adjust the speed, rotate this knob. Maximum 5 and decrease. And the pulse. And the maximum time, it is 199 seconds. After that it will go 0 and starting again. Nice, I like it. So let's move on for testing. I start by making a silky smooth carrot puree. Add all the carrots. Sorry for the unfocus of my camera, for no reason at all. After mixing well, add salt, pepper, olive oil and anything else you like to suit your needs. This versatile kitchen tool is designed to make your food preparation faster and easier, whether you are blending, mixing or pureeing. The powerful motor effortlessly blends through various ingredients, makes it perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces and more. Its robust performance ensures smooth and consistent results every time. Here's how to clean your blender blades easily and safely. Next I'm going to make mashed potatoes. Add the potatoes and begin to mix. The digital interface on this hand blender provides precise control over your blending. With adjustable speed settings and pulse function, you can easily customize the texture of your blends, whether you need a coarse chop or fine puree. And again, add salt, pepper and olive oil. Mix for a few seconds. And my last mix is fruits. Add banana, peach, apple, orange, and protein almond fruit. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip during use. This makes blending more comfortable even during extended use. The detachable blades are easy to remove and clean, making post-cooking cleanup quick and hassle-free, and it is dishwasher safe, adding to the convenience. And why not? And some ice makes it even colder. If you are looking for a reliable, versatile and easy to use hand blender, this one is a fantastic choice. Its combination of powerful performance, digital precision and removable attachment makes it an essential tool for any home cook. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more kitchen gadget reviews and cooking tips. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.